Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the differences between cash credit and trade credit. Both are important sources of short-term finance for businesses, but they differ in nature, source, purpose, and repayment terms. Let us understand each difference one by one. Number 1. Cash credit is a loan facility provided by banks for working capital needs, whereas trade credit is credit provided by suppliers for purchasing goods or services. Number 2. Cash credit is obtained from banks or financial institutions, whereas trade credit is obtained from suppliers, manufacturers, or traders. Number 3. Cash credit is a bank loan facility. On the other hand, trade credit is a supplier-based credit arrangement. Number 4. Cash credit is mainly used to meet overall working capital requirements, whereas trade credit is specifically used for purchasing goods on credit. Number 5. Cash credit generally requires collateral or security against assets, whereas trade credit is usually unsecured and based on trust between buyer and seller. Number 6. Interest is charged by banks on the amount utilized under cash credit, whereas trade credit generally does not involve direct interest charges if payment is made within the credit period. Number 7. Cash credit repayment is made on demand or within the sanction period, whereas trade credit must be repaid within the supplier's agreed credit period. Number 8. Cash credit is a revolving credit facility where funds can be withdrawn repeatedly, whereas trade credit is usually non-revolving in nature. Number 9. Cash credit has a fixed credit limit sanctioned by the bank, whereas trade credit limits depend on supplier policy and business relationship. Number 10. Cash credit is generally provided for short-term periods and renewed annually, whereas trade credit is offered for shorter durations such as 30, 60, or 90 days. Number 11. Funds obtained through cash credit can be used for multiple business purposes, whereas trade credit can only be used for purchasing goods or services from the supplier. Number 12. Cash credit involves detailed legal documentation and banking formalities, whereas trade credit involves comparatively minimal documentation. Number 13. Cash credit is based on the relationship between banker and borrower, whereas trade credit is based on the relationship between supplier and buyer. Number 14. Cash credit requires approval and credit appraisal by banks, whereas trade credit depends on the supplier's credit policy and confidence in the buyer. Number 15. Cash credit offers greater flexibility because businesses can withdraw and deposit funds as needed, whereas trade credit is less flexible because it is restricted to supplier purchases only. In summary, cash credit is a banking facility that provides liquidity support for working capital, whereas trade credit is supplier financing that helps businesses purchase goods without immediate payment. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.